It's a mess in here. This place is so cluttered. You know, every time you visit someone's apartment and they're like, I'm sorry, this place is such a mess. Usually, hey, let's not f around. Your place is always a mess. But anyway, so ever since I got the car, I was postponing mounting all of my accessories because I thought I'm gonna do like a mega super crazy 77 accessories video that I'm using. So I was putting off using a screen protector, and I'm at a point where I'm not recording this video about accessories. So I'm like, let's mount at least the screen protector, because I might scratch it. I'm afraid that something will happen to the screen and then it's gonna be too late to mount it. I tried to mount a screen protector from AliExpress, but it turned out to be for Model S and for Model X, so I had to order this one, because this one, they can literally say here that it's idiot proof. Like, it should say below here, this is made for idiots. And if you watch this channel, you know who's, so they made this one for me. Ah, thank you very much. So it's for idiots because it has a plastic thingy and you cannot screw this up. So this is gonna be a video of me screwing this up. Let's do this. And as you can see, like, there's no scratches. There's nothing that's happening to the screen that it actually needs a screen protector. There's smudges, of course, but there's no actual, like, how can you f this? Well, knowing me, I can f this up. So it's better to be safe and it's better to have a screen protector than just to wing it. So first thing I'm gonna do, I got the water bottle, now a sprayer thingy, it says H2O here. So this is gonna screw up everything in the car. So I'm gonna try to do it from afar, like, wow, that's a dumb idea. I made everything wet. Probably I shouldn't have used water, but ooh, it cleans nicely. It's nice. One thing in my life I haven't fucked up yet is the screen of this Tesla. All my other devices, starting from the watch to the tablet to everything else, everything is super scratched up. I'm gonna try to unbox this. I don't have my unboxing knife, so hopefully I can use my unboxing nails or something. Or I can go the savage way, where we just rip. This method also works when you just rip this shit like this. What I like about this one is that it's idiot proof. And when I say idiot proof, what I mean is they give you this plastic thing and you mount it on top of the screen. Like, well, if I don't know which way to mount it, it's made for me. And then you mount it and then you just rip it off. And then you have a mounted screen protector, which literally they made it for idiots. So this should say made for kids. Hold and wait, you cannot f this up. Initiating sequence of me f***ing this up. Let's see. I need to, they don't have a cloth or anything to clean? What if I didn't have my own cloth? By the way, this protector is 20, 30 euros, I think. I hope that's gonna be worth it. I'll mount this like this. Let's try this. Okay, this seems easy. Oh shit, is it already no, what? Remove from here, it says. And press and slide. Like, is it? It feels like cheating. Like, it shouldn't be this simple. It should be something more complex. Like, I just mounted this on top of the screen. Now I'm gonna pull here, and shut up, Siri. No, I don't need your help. Okay. It says no. Wait, that's step 3. Remove from here. Oh no, 3. Remove from here. Wait 30 seconds. Press and slide. That's what it says. Let me see. Is there dust? There's a little bit of dust. So here's what I'm gonna do. Super quick ninja type of shit. Just clean this one last time. So there's no dust, there's no bubbles, there's no nothing in the screen. It's trying to catch. Okay. So now it says remove from here. Okay. Removing from here. And it says wait 30 seconds. Huh? Okay, should I wait 30 seconds here? I'm waiting 30 seconds here. 1, 2, 3.
A few moments later.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. And now it says, wait, it says press and slide, which I did. I'm gonna take a bulletproof procedure and fuck it up. Because that's what I do. Oh my god, did I? Yep, I ruined it. I ruined the goddamn... Told you I'm gonna fuck this up. Where's the manual? Too late now. Oh, there's easy installation, delicate touch, real glass. Watch our installation video. I didn't watch the installation video. Speaking, would you be kind enough to send me one more thing? Because, like, that's really made for idiots this time. I don't know how. No, I think I f***ed it up, man. I think that while I was ripping off the thing, the plastic, I f***ed up the protector. Okay, I'm going the savage way and applying it this way. I hope that it's gonna get applied. It actually got applied, but... Oh, okay. There's still a possibility that at the end this will work. There's still a chance, because I think there's one more layer to unpeel, and when I unpeel that layer, it should be clean as a motherfucker. Let's see. It said something about press and slide here, which I think I did. Okay, press and... Okay, that's probably not how they wanted the slide to go. And now, if we take this away, it's glued perfectly-ish, and I should take... Wait, what? Is that perfectly applied? Or am I not applying it? Both options. Oh no, it is. Wow. So, much circles here. How the fuck do I get rid of the circles? Don't you have some more magical thing? I don't want the circles, Spigen. This, but with no circles, would have been perfect. There's like 4 big ass circles. I applied a screen protector, but there's like 3 circles here, and I'm gonna try with the cloth to make them magically disappear, but probably they won't. Ooh. Bye, bubbles. Bubbles, circles, whatever you call them. Come on, dude, go away. Go away. I'm chasing you away from my screen. Oh, actually I ruined them a little bit. There's a chance. Who's the real wizard, Spigen? Oh my god, now I have more micro bubbles. God bless Canada. I think I scratched the screen protector. Go away, bubbles. Nope, the circles are not going... Well, I mean, it looks interesting like this, but like it would be nicer if there are no circles. I mean, I would really appreciate it if there's no circles anywhere. That would be like super nice. Ah, man. With enough force, I'm either gonna break this tablet or chase away the bubbles. Let's see. I don't know how am I doing this. They just go away. There you go. One more. Boop. Nope, they come back. They go away and they come back. There's my alarm. There's my alarm. We need to go. We need to go, unfortunately. Let me see how this is gonna look like if I hold to exit. No bubbles. I mean, the visibility is fine. It's like cells dividing. We have a biology class right now. Lesson number 1. Don't install a screen protector ever if you're not capable to do it. It would be so ironic if my tablet was perfect and I ruined it while putting on the screen protector. That would be pretty stupid. Nope, chased one more away. Okay, 4 to go. If someone is looking at me from outside, they'll be like, this guy really loves his car because he's doing like crazy. Okay, I chased that one away. Told you I'm a wizard. Come for the screen protector installation, stay for the wizardry. And then Dumbledore didn't read the instructions of the screen protector thingy, and he was scrubbing for 1 hour. Harry entered the room. He's like, Sir Dumbledore, why are you rubbing so hard? And then the story went sideways. Okay, I'm so sweaty now. Let me try this big one. Like, if this big one goes, I'm happy with the other one. Come on, motherfucker. Okay. Who are we kidding? I'm not happy with the other ones. What? Oh, this is not fun, man. I'm so sweaty. We're supposed to go right now in 5 minutes to sign a contract for the apartment we're moving in. I'm gonna go there super sweaty and be like, you will never understand. And they'll be like, let me guess. You tried to install a screen protector and you fucked it up? And I was like, how did you know? And they'll point at me like, duh. That's what's gonna happen. I started DJ vinyl scratching. This is the remix. There's one. You're on your way out. I know that. You know that. My dog knows that. Bye. There you go. One more bubble gone. There's just 3 left. There's 3. This one should be easy. It's right here at the bottom. See you, mother. Ow, my finger hurts so much. My girlfriend will be here in 3 minutes and be like, why are you sweaty and why do your fingers hurt? And I'll be like, never mind. The issue is, if they stay like this, it will drive me bananas. Like, there's my girlfriend. There she is. There she is. I have to... Yep, come in. Can you go and throw this in the trash before we go? I'm recording a video and as you can see, I totally managed to finish everything on time.
Come in.
Oh, I just found the toolkit for installing this. And I installed it already. So that should tell you how successful this was. You like it?
Very successful.
The screen protector? She said she doesn't see anything, which means I succeeded, which means f*** you. What? Okay, there's one more. That's big. You're going out, my friend. Do you see this bubble?
Yeah.
It drives me crazy.
Oh.
I installed the screen protector and there's tiny bubbles. Do you remember that game with popping bubbles? Super Pang, or whatever it was called?
Nope.
Well, this is nothing like that game and it's just worse.
I had a couple of bubble games, but I don't know which.
Do you know
one
the bubble
or
game
something.
called Christian up the installation and then he tried to destroy invisible bubbles? Have you played that one? It's not fun.
Can we not play that one, please? That one costs a lot of money.
It costs a lot of money and this is the last bubble. And we'll call it Bubble Trouble. Mother, hijo.
I remember Bubble
Trouble, right?
I
I was the main character because I was popping.
Okay. And I guess the surface that we were seeing there, it was the Tesla all along. Wow, an
Yeah.
80s game.
I think
Yeah, it's done.
Huh?
I don't see it anymore.
you don't see it anymore?
I was seeing it.
This is
now I
beautiful.
don't.
No, there's only two. Like,
Can
Yeah,
we
we're gonna go, I know.
with the
I'm so sweaty. When we meet with the landlord, I'll be like, I was installing a screen protector, and he'll be like, you don't deserve an apartment. Live on the street.
A few moments later.
Do you have napkin, Paloma? Okay, now let's see. Wait a second. Okay, give me that. Jesus, mother of God. And let's try this. Hold to exit. Let's see if we can notice anything when
Nothing.
nothing. You see this little spot here, and this little spot here,
What
it
are
looks like a
these?
smudge. Well, that's the f***ing bubble that's driving me nuts.
Oh, baby, this
So,
looks bad.
so one here and one here. Let me just try for one more minute. One more minute and we're going. Otherwise, I'll try. Which one was it? Which one was the asshole? This one?
Mhm.
Try to push it down.
No, up. Up.
It cannot go up. It has to like the air. Me being an expert on this bubble.
Then okay.
And this one on and this one basically. Just
Okay,
wait.
I'll.
Point your finger there.
Okay, here, come on.
Mother. I think the tablet started shaking at this point and I should stop this.
Somewhere here,
Hmm?
in the middle.
I can see this one. And it doesn't go anywhere because it's in the center of the screen and there's no way to move it. Okay, let's give it one last wipe like this. This is a bad installation. Actually, I cannot notice it.
I
It's
just noticed this one. This one is.
why did you point it to me? It's
You
never
didn't
ending.
know it?
I didn't notice it. Where is it? Here, next.
Yeah, that's the.
That's the most
biggest.
annoying one, right?
Yeah.
I think this tablet started moving.
Well, don't put too much pressure on
I
it.
put so much pressure on it.
The
No,
car
I'm
is
done.
shaking.
I'm done. I don't care if the car is shaking or the world is shaking. Like, if it works, it works.
Done.
It's kinda gone. So as I promised you in the beginning of the video, even though this was idiot proof and made for idiots, I managed to fuck it up. But I think that if you actually read the instructions, this is a great screen protector because it's plug and play literally. I just managed to fuck it up. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy this video, dislike and unsubscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!